AML, ALM, etc., etc. And then we also have, fixed asset management. Then today we are focusing more on the LMS side, and we also have recently implemented a comprehensive litigation management system with starting from SMA, special mention account marking to collections, recovery, one-time settlement, NPA management, and then to a litigation management system. And the same has been recently implemented in another bank known as Karnataka Gramin Vikas Bank. Right now, we are discussing with a lot of bigger banks who have been very much interested in our product on the litigation, and so it's something like, I will say, a post-loan management system where we have developed a lot of modules which is needed not only for small and medium organizations but also for the bigger banks and financial institutions. So that is a small story of Safe Software, Mr. Manish.
Noted. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm also seeing Mr. Muhammad Dirar. Then Mr. Muhammad, you can just introduce, please.
Hi, hello, my name is Mr. Muhammad Dirar. I'm representing Ansu. Ansu is an e-commerce platform.
Recording in progress.
And Rion Capital.
Okay.
Rion Capital is a ventures capitalist. We are mainly interested in Eastern and Southern African markets. We do different things, but obviously I'm here to learn more about loan management and how it could actually benefit our organization. We are planning on doing different things, and obviously we will require a lot of loans to comply with those those projects that we need to do. So obviously I need to learn a little bit more, and thank you for your time.
That's good. You're from which country?
Well, you can call me a nomad. I am originally from Somalia. I'm staying now in the UK. I'm going back to Kenya. So I'm pretty much all over the place.
I love that. I really love to connect with people like you, travel to different countries. So I've been also being part of different African countries. We have a lot of partners and customers there. And I think right now you said you're in Kenya. My colleague, Mr. Isaac Juma Isaac from Kenya is also here.
That's absolutely lovely. That's lovely.
Yeah, participants, I kindly request, especially the new participants, please share your WhatsApp number at least in the chat. If you find it difficult to fill the form, I kindly request to share your WhatsApp number so that we can be in touch. Would you mind, please do that. Please do that. Mr. Vinti Vinson, Mr. Abhijay, Akansha Rani, can you please introduce? Then I'm seeing Atul Patak.
Okay, my name is Winston. Hello?
Yes.
Can you hear me? My name is Winston. Hello?
Yes, we are listening.
Okay, my name is Winston. I'm a producer from South Africa. I'm a consultant, and I'm a consultant on international relations in investment for Africa.
Very good, very good. It will be good if you can text your number. I don't know whether you...
They already have my number.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, thank you. Okay. Mr. Abhijay, Akansha Rani, Ashutosh Patak, Francis Aibok, Harish Patel, please introduce, or else please share your WhatsApp numbers in the group, in the chat. Harish Patel, are you there? Harish iPhone. Harish. Mr. Khan. I'm also seeing Krubali Johel. Krupali Johel, can you please introduce? Krupali Johel, can you please?
Yeah,
Yes.
hi Praveen. I'm
Yes.
Krupali Gohel. I'm a software engineer from Gujarat. I'm
Amazing.
I'm working in fintech domain right now. Yeah.
Amazing. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Please share your contact number or LinkedIn page or something. We always love to connect. So the purpose of this kind of program is to build a community of fintech professionals. We have a fintech group. If you can share your number, we can also add you in that group so that we always exchange ideas and empower ourselves. Hope you understand. Then we have Neha Bhargava. Neha Bhargava, can you please introduce? Then we have Utim. Then we have Prakriti Chada.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Prakriti. I'm associated with Sigma Info Solutions, same as Krupali and Praveen. Sorry, Puneet. And I am leading the QA activities. I have overall industrial experience of 8+ years. And yeah, I'm here to attend the loan management training. So let's see what's there.
Yeah, it's not a training. It's about making you understand about the various products and services we have, and those who once those who have some really interested, we will have a one-to-one level of meeting and discussions.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for the insights, Praveen. Yeah.
Yeah. So I just want to share each and every, to all participants. This is just like as Remy indicated, it is a very informal level of weekly webinar that we organize, and we have been doing it for the last 4 years, and more than thousands and thousands of people have attended this program, and this has helped us to create partnership and also to generate business inquiry for many people, and also help people to acquire the different level of knowledge which is required in different industries. So there are a lot of event speakers who are done as where we engage with them on different conversations and different topics, which has really helped people across the world. So today again, I would like to thank you all the new participants and also the existing one. People from different parts of other countries have joined, and I'm very delighted to be part of it. And again, I want to tell you a brief about what SAFE is all about. SAFE is basically a 20-year company, and we have been offering solutions to the banks and financial institutions for the last 20-25 years. Many of our company members are more than 20 years of experience in the banking space, and we have implemented projects in financial institutions with one branch to more than 10,000 branches, and we have various level of products and services which can be implemented in banks and financial institutions. I think we have two speakers today, Sini Thomas, strategic partner, and Mr. Vyas, vice president, who also had the business development. So Sini, are you there, or who is first person?
Veda will be taking first.
Yeah, Praveen, I will take the initial section.
Yeah. So Veda will be mentioning about some of the products that we have. The idea is basically, in case anybody who wants to connect with us or is interested to understand about the product or interested in partnering with us, you can contact us. Meanwhile, I kindly request you to share your contact details so that we can connect continuously. And this is not just a one-sided thing, not just to promote our products. If you also have some good products or services, we always believe in collaboration. So we have always offered turnkey solution collaborating with different product companies, technology companies. So with this, I welcome Vyas, and I would like to appreciate all my team members here for reaching out to people across the world, and also appreciate Ramya for that introductory, a welcoming thing. And over to you, Vyas.
Yeah, thank you, Praveen. So good evening all. So we have 6 topics. So the initial 3 topics, the NPA litigation management, the video KYC, and the ekyc solution that will be taken care by me, and the LOS, LMS, and
One second. I think Carol Rose, from Vision Fund. I think she's there. Rose, are you there? Actually, I'm seeing you are muted. But anyway, I really welcome on behalf of SAFE. I would like to welcome you.
So the LMS, LOS, and the debt management will be taken care by Sini. So yeah, we'll start the section. I'm sharing my screen. I hope you can see my screen. Can you please confirm?
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah, thank you. So Safe and Smart Litigation Management System. So Safe and Smart LMS helps to manage and monitor the lawsuits and the other legal activities. So for the end-to-end solution for the cases right from the inspection to the post-judgment process. So it keeps a track of pending and ongoing cases and helps taking timely decision by analyzing the reports generated. Also manages a FASI and one-time settlement of accounts. So this is all about the Safe and Smart litigation management. So we have key modules for the litigation management like NPA module, litigation module, SURFASI module, OTS module, and recovery module. Now we'll move to the NPA management. We have the sub-modules like the listing NPA accounts, status view of NPA accounts, view NPA accounts to the branch, cluster, region, and so on. We have the updates of interaction and defaulters, and we have the communication with the defaulters, email, letters, audio recordings, video recordings, and image captures. Also, we have tagging with the interaction carried out with accounts. Now we come to them, and we have the target fixing and achievement monitoring, daily MIS on SMS and email, recovery follow-up history, track of follow-ups including SMS, daily personal visit. Also, we have the notice printing integration with the call centers. Also, we have the agent management collection module with facility and create buckets, and we have incentive calculation, collection app, mobile collection. For the collection app, we have the mobile Android application for the collection and recovery. Also, we have the recovery follow-up notification. Now we move to the litigation module. We have the complaints filing, civil suit, commercial suits, and claim against bank, DRT process. We have the revenue recovery, insolvent banker code. Now we come to the SURFASI module. We have the listing, SURFASI eligible accounts, generate demand notice, possession notice, sales notice, etc. Also, the SURFASI agent and their fees and expense management. Maintain a statutory timeline followed, and the prior stages are added before and updating addition for the current and subsequent stages. Also, we have the OTS one-time settlement module. We have the listing of eligible account, configuration of OTS formulas, approval workflow, customer engagement, and the comprehensive analysis. Now we come to the key features of NPA litigation management. So it can be integrated with any ERP, like core banking solution, application software. Also, we have a real-time access to the case document, auto reminders for all important dates, dashboards and MNS report on a real-time review, monitor each stages of legal process, one-time settlement in multi-level approval. Also, we have the code and the legal expense management, reminder and escalation alert as well. Also, the benefits like all the litigation process, like we have the SURFASI, complaint filing, civil suit, commercial, claim against bank. Then we have the revenue recovery, and we have the banker code. Also, we have the benefits like all the litigation approval are processed in the timely manner. Each process is associated with an activity log that can be viewed from the origination until the closure of every user involved. The SURFASI module is designed to manage the life cycle of the initiation to the auction process. Also, we have the SMS alert will be sent to each stage of the legal process to the group members, like example like legal officer, branch manager, zonal head office, legal cell, and the GM in charge. So intimation and communication also will send to the official email ID at the same time. Numerous templates are available to ease the letter drafting. Also, we have the letters, photograph, and other documents can be attached to any filed cases in the workflow and are available in all designated users. All suit recovery proceedings are available in the landing screen with further details viewable from the single click. Also, we have the customer response are tracked and notified. Also, we have the executing and write a comment on each suit file cases viewable by the designated user and assigned branch user. minimizing the number of repetitive reviews. Also, we have a paper notification template are available to facilitate each communication. Also, we have a separate out-of-court settlement and one-time settlement which can be initiated with a proper approval at any point during the recovery process. Also, the system enables the top management to review all the suit file account, including the Surface Act, on the scheduled and the real-time basis. So this is the high-level workflow of the NPA litigation from branches to create the case, then that will move to the legal department, then from the legal to the litigation department, from the litigation it will go to the law firm. So now we come to the dashboard. So on the dashboard, we can view all the key metrics and the analytics of the legal spend and the legal operation based on the NPA litigation, Surface and OTS, etc. Also, we can integrate with the core banking, ERP solution, SMS, email, WhatsApp, and IVRS, etc. Also, these are the verticals which are normally the litigation management using: the banks, NBFC, Nidhi companies, microcredit, microfinance, and the financial institutions. So this is all about the NPA and litigation management. Now we will move to the next topic. So the next topic will be the video KYC. I'm sharing the screen.
Ved, it will be good. Maybe you can ask, since there will be different modules, it will be good. Maybe you can ask, anybody have any doubt? Anybody wants to know more about NPA management and litigation management? Do you want to, if we have if anybody wants a detailed demo of the product or want to know, please raise your hand so that we can note, we can plan it accordingly.
So we can take a one section if you require any detailed demo for the NPA litigation management. You can please fill up the form in the chat box so that our team can directly contact you.
Please raise your hand if anybody is interested. If anybody is interested, please raise your hand. Anybody please interested to know about our NPA management, litigation management system, please raise your hand so that we'll know. Anybody interested? Okay, so you can move to the next level.
Yeah, thank you, Praveen. So the next topic is the safe and smart video KYC and customer onboarding. So the introduction of video KYC. So it's a cutting-edge digital solution that varies customer identities remotely through the real-time video interaction. So the importance of customer verification is the trust, security, and regulatory complaints are paramount in the modern business landscape. Effective customer verification prevent fraud and ensure to the regulations. So transition to the futures. So the safe and smart VKYC is a game-changing identity verification solution. So the features of VKYC, video verification. So the real-time video interaction. So the engage the real-time video call. So customer can interact with the agent via video call, establishing a personal and interactive verification process. So then we have a real-time interaction enables a live identity validation, reducing the risk and facilitating a direct communication for the clarification. Also, we have the visual representation illustration for the video call between the customer and the verification agent. Also, we have the second module, which is the facial recognition. So again, it's a cutting-edge technology that matches the customer live face with their government ID or a photo ID, government-issued photo ID. So elevated security, we have the facial recognition to ensure alignment between the person on the video call and the photo on the ID for the verification process. Also, the facial recognition process step-by-step diagram showcasing the facial recognition process. We have the document verification module. So seamlessly the document submission, the customer upload a scanned ID document during the video call. So the authentication, the agent will validate the document authenticity by examining the security features like hologram, watermark, and more. Also, we have the sample documents like image of various ID documents such as passport, driving license, and identity cards. So the live document sharing, like the customer can exhibit their document on camera, allowing agent to verify them instantly. Also, to prevent document manipulation, build trust and express the verification. Also, we have the screenshots of live sharing. So screenshot of the customer can display their ID on the video call. Also, we have the geotagging and timestamping. Importance of geotagging and timestamping. So the geotagging confirms the customer location, while the timestamp prove that the real-time interaction as well. Also, we have the so that that prevent the use of pre-recorded videos and enhance the various verification credibility. Also, the geotag visuals map with geotag tagged location and the clock illustrating the timestamps. Also, this AI-driven verification is there. Also, the AI role, AI analyze the facial features, voice pattern, and the gesture to ensure the authenticity. So, the automation and the accuracy, so it's reduce the human error, speed of verification, and improve the fraud detection. Also, the diagram highlight the AI role in the verification process. Also, we have the AI analyzes facial features, voice pattern, and gesture. Yeah. So now we go to the use cases of video KYC, like on the banking and the financial services. So video KYC simplifies the remote account opening while complying with the KYC and the AML regulations. So to ensuring compliance like seamless interaction, ensure the to the financial standards. Also, we have the image of the customer interacting with the banking through a video call or account opening. Now we come to the telecommunication industry. Now for efficient SIM activation. So the telecom companies using the video KYC to ensure a remote SIM activation. Then also they have a real-time interaction to the use cases of the stolen and manipulated document. Also they can do the screenshot of the customer verifying verifying to the identity for the SIM activation. Also on the e-commerce also eKYC will work for the age verification on the online sales. The e-commerce platform employ video KYC to ensure the age restriction product are sold to adults only. So also we have the prevent minors from the accessing the restricted content or the product. Also we have image of age restricted product and the customer verify their ages as well. Now we go to the healthcare. Securing patient identity verification. So the video KYC is to verify the patient identity for the medicine consultation and online medical service. Also, we ensure the accurate medical advice for the right individuals. Also, the image of doctor and the patient interacting through the video call. Also, the travel and hospitality. So hotels use video KYC for the seamless check-in, reducing the paperwork and enhancing the guest experience. Also, the customer verify the identity to submit that document remotely. Also, the image of the hotel reception conducting a video check with the guest as well. So now we come to the benefits of safe and smart video KYC. So it eliminates the physical visit, providing convenience and the speed. Automate, save time and reduce the operational cost. Also the regulatory. So it's a combat fraud and ensure the regulatory also. Now we come to the challenges of the solution. So navigating regulatory challenges like tailoring legal framework to the video KYC for the compliance. Also we have overcoming poor connectivity through adapting the technology. Also backup system, customer education and the collaboration with the provider. Also we have enhanced the document visualization through AI. So that's a future trend. Also we have incorporating fingerprint and voice recognition. Also, the predictive AI security, like using AI to predict and prevent the fraud attempts. Also, the industry adoption, like we have the graph showing video KYC adoption across the industry. So, the highlighting the finance, telecom, and the healthcare are early adopters. So, the security measures expanding the data privacy through end-to-end encryption. Also, we have safeguard the customer data during the storage of transmission. Also, we have the visual illustrating encryption and the data protection as well. So the customer feedback, like displaying the customer code about the seamless video KYC process, the sharing the feedback from the business and the integrated video KYC. Also, we have the AML compliance, like detailing the video KYC role in preventing money laundering, GDPR consideration, managing the personal data in alignment with the GDPR. Also, the compliance checklist, the business checklist of regulatory and awareness. Then we have the other case studies as well for the lending bank. So step taken by the bank to integrate a video KYC, reduce the onboarding timing, metrics highlighted account opening time reduction. Also we have before and after metrics, like the visual comparison of account opening before and after video KYC. Also we have the streamlined SIM activation, enhanced SIM activation with video KYC, metrics showing the reduction of identity of fraud incident. Also, we have the impact on the customer satisfaction scores, pre and the post video KYC adoption as well. Also, we have the ROA and the post saving. So the feature displaying at the time and the cost saving on the post video KYC. So the calculating ROI based on improving the efficiency, also the visual of ROI and the cost saving. So yeah, the key takeaways of video KYC, summarizing the features, benefits, and the use case of the safe and smart KYC. Yeah, establishing the video KYC as a feature of identity verification. Also encouraging the business to adopt video KYC for the improved customer experience and the security. So this is all about the video KYC. So anybody required a detailed video KYC demo, you can please fill up the form so that our team can have a face-to-face interaction. So does anybody have any clarification the video KYC? Please raise your hand. Okay, now we move to the next topic, which is the eKYC customer onboarding. Again, I'm sharing my screen. I hope everybody can see my screen. Yeah. So safe and smart eKYC customer onboarding. So this is the eKYC workflow. This is a high-level workflow. So that so to initiate the KYC, then we have the perform customer due diligence, then we have the decision. From there it will go to the review, then again conduct the client identification process from the PEP, then to the OFAC sanction screening, then we'll come to the conduct the risk assessment, then apply the risk rating, then approve and open the account. So yeah, the KYC review is on, and yeah, this is actually the workflow for the eKYC. Now also we have an onboarding mobile application using the OCR image recognition and the signature capture from seamless experience. I hope you can see the photographs how the onboarding the mobile app through we are onboarding the customer. Also we have the sanction screening so that automate the process of various checklists, politically exposed persons, then UN sanction checklist, then we have the OFAC sanction list check, then we have the national blacklist check, internal blacklist check, then we have the other targeted screening check as well. Also we have the customer risk assessment. There are various calculated risk score as per the questionnaire. So yeah, this we can manage on the customer risk assessment. Yeah, also the risk assessment, we can give some score on the risk assessment. As per that only it's no work actually. So the KYC review is like the scenario can auto start from fresh compliance review process depending on the materials segment of data and of data change. The solution also tracks the flag expiry documentations. Also the annual or the other periodic reviews as per the risk rating of the client. Change in the client transaction of cash overseas remittance. Also review to the company and the regulatory demand. Also the special events like KYC doc expire. Also the audit and the alert of forensic services. Also we have the real-time report as well. So this is a screenshot where we can see the real-time report of the customer. Yeah, so this is all about the eKYC. So anybody having any questions about 3 topics, you can just fill up the form so that my team can directly have a word with you or a detailed demo with you. If anybody having any doubt you want to ask right now, please raise your hand.
Sini is there?
Yeah, Sini is there. Yeah. So the next topic I'm handing over to Sini. Sini, over to you.
Thank you, Veda. Thank you for your insight.
Your voice is not audible.
Yeah.
Sini?
Can you hear me now?
It's very low, Sini.
It's very low. All right. I hope my voice is clear now.
Yeah, right. It's perfect. Yeah, better.
So today, thank you, Veda, for your presentation, and yeah, he has touched the various factors on eKYC. So now I'll be taking you through the loan origination system, loan management, safe and smart loan management solution, as well as NPA management system that we have as our product and services. So yeah, let's start. Let me just share my screen. Starting from the loan origination system where safe software, safe and smart LOS is a solution with all the kind of features required for a streamlined or a proper execution of a loan. The initial steps that will include any loan application that we have been able to cover up every single function that becomes a part of the process from various aspects. So let's have a look at it. So ideally, we all understand that it's a LOS is developed specifically to support the loan application processing needs of banks and financial institutions. Same is the case with Safe and Smart LOS. We have developed it for the to streamline the loan application processing needs of banks and financial institutions. So the workflow technology, it employs the workflow technology to control, monitor the various work steps in the loan processing. We understand it's very critical and uses digital imaging technology to reduce the delays and inefficiencies in handling paper documents. So in the past, we know the traditional way of applying for a job used to take lengthy number of days, and it never got over in a week's time. Like customers had to wait for a long period of time. So which will easily get streamlined with the help of Safe and Smart LOS. So this is a solution architecture where you can see it starts with the data entry. The pre-screening rules are there. Also, the credit scoring can be integrated over here. Then comes the approval part of it, and then documentation, then acceptance, and finally the disbursement of the loan. So all these major functions have been incorporated into our system, and let's look at it each of them. So the key features are that we have a structured workflow for automatic routing of the application. Our systems support different origination channels. We support different loan products and loan types. We do understand the market has been kind of, changing like anything, and introduction of certain kind of loan types, and also certain loan types become completely outdated. So this kind of integrations without much delay is possible in our system. Interface to external systems, provide internal credit checking, credit scoring, and compliance checks. So we do have that, services are available in our system. And the letters and the forms with the templates can be generated easily. Application details and the status inquiry will be able to, the customer and the bank will be able to understand the status whenever needed. The document imaging and archiving feature is also well available in our system. So when we talk about the structured workflow for automatic routing, the major aspect is about the loan application processing workflow. So it is monitored, every loan application is monitored the time it is entered in the system. It's tracked through the various work steps of credit review, and finally reaching up to the approval process. So these work steps will be can be performed on different locations while maintaining the control of the flow and making sure no required steps are being missed. So we ensure that it can be accessed from different locations, but at the same time, no flow happens with regard to the process. So it's not just one or two. It is not restricted to one or two channels. It accepts or like the sources can be different wide, like walk-in application, mobile applications. It can be through the internet. It can be through social media, and even through SMS. So different origination channels are supported in our system. And also, as and when a new product is being launched, it doesn't take much time to capture or to incorporate that particular loan type or the product into our system, provided the following parameters are being fulfilled. For example, like loan type defaults and constraints, scorecard, supported document checklist, letter templates, compliance checklist, disbursement checklist. So subject to availability of these aspects, we will be able to incorporate any new type of loan product or loan type. We'll be able to incorporate without wasting much time or without any kind of delay. And it also has interface to external systems like credit checking, fraud analysis, and drawdown processes. And talking about the credit checking and scoring and compliance check, LOS can interface to the bank's internal system to retrieve information of existing customers. Example, customer information file, credit card, loan system, etc. And we do understand how critical is credit scoring. So this mechanism automatically calculates the score of an application based on the information entered and the scorecard used. So it is well integrated, and also with the external system to make sure that the loan being like no flows happen, or like no wrong person will be given the loans, and the documents and everything is being checked and verified properly. When we talk about the automatic generation of the letters, it can be generated by lawyers automatically upon completion of certain tasks. For example, the loan approved or rejection of the loans. It will integrate application data with predefined letter templates to generate and print the letter without human intervention. So here the human intervention has become very less. Over here, the manual intervention is becoming very less, and there the automatic generation of letters and forms as per the required templates can be generated with the help of our system. And also, it adds a sophisticated search criteria interface which allows the users to make application inquiry. The status inquiry, where exactly is the status of the loan application process stands and what exactly has to be done. So it can provide information on which work step where the application is pending at the moment, waiting for such supporting document or waiting for loan approval. So this would be, so the organization get a clear picture of the pending documents, the pending queries, and why pending processes, and why exactly this is being pending. So that we all understand how important is data for an organization. So when you have the proper data, half the work is done. You'll be able to work towards the betterment of the organization. So that can be completely taken into confidence with the help of safe and smart LOS. And paper documents can be scanned into the system by customers themselves, or once they are received, then the electronic images are available and can be shared by all LOS users immediately. So all these processing, including verification, review, and approval, can be done with these electronic images displayed side by side with the application record screen. So this eliminates the delay in paper format. So the soft copies can be uploaded in the system, and whenever it is needed, it can be retrieved. Otherwise, it can be also archived with regard to the needs of the system. So this is well available in our system. The major modules are the origination, the underwriting, the servicing, collection, and integrations. Talking about the origination, so ensuring our system ensures a fast application process. So we have omni-channel onboarding, application through one private account, automatic and paperless work with documents, customer due diligence, fast processes and ability to approve in minutes, DM approach to decision making. So things have been really streamlined with the help of safe and smart LOS. Underwriting, we do understand how time-consuming was the traditional loan origination process, which had a lot of paperwork. So here we have taken the advantage of the latest technologies like machine learning and artificial intelligence into auto financing. So this can be streamlined. The KYC, AML, anti-money laundering, and ID checks can be streamlined easily. The customer can have their own scoring algorithm implemented. It can be integrated with any third-party scoring providers. So underwriting is no more a strenuous process when it comes to safe and smart LOS solution. And it also offers an auto loan servicing system that automates processes from loan disbursement to its closure. So this is specifically, we have this as in our portal. So this platform is fully configurable so that anyone can quickly bring new products to market or update existing offerings. So it helps to create loan products of any time, reschedule loans, change the loan structure and term, generate payout transaction, register incoming payments automatically via.
Sini, one second.
Yes.
Mr. Amab Ghosh has sent a message. Amab, can you please share your contact details or anything? We can have a one-to-one meeting on this. Mr. Amab?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
And also it can simulate payment schedule with loan amounts and terms. So this is a part of the servicing. This is the servicing part of it. Talking about the collection, we can take actions on delinquent accounts as well, and the tracking and automation. It can be very well tracked with the help of automation. So we can have it utilizes our bucket approach to the collection process, customized notice letters and notifications. It can set trigger events, like for example, we do understand how humongous is the collection processes, like when you want to get the money back, and it can send reminders to the agents and agencies. So with the private bank exchange system, it can have the automate collection processes as well. So we have incorporated all these features into our system. And integrations, yes, SAP and Smart LOS provide auto dealers with third-party integration services from KYC providers to collateral registries. So we have right away, we have the integrations with it. It can be integrated with credit bureaus, liveness check apps, KYC, anti-money laundering and scoring providers. It can also be integrated with the payment and notification providers, accounting system, and also business intelligence solutions that can very well support this smooth flow, smooth work process of loan origination system. And the latest technologies, we are never late in adopting the latest technology. So the artificial intelligence capability can extract the data from various sources and classify them according to their type. It can organize and classify documents based on the category, increase the first time right application through efficient data recognition and extraction. So, and it helps to check the completeness, the correctness and consistency of information in all documents. And also, when it comes to underwriters, it's the technology that can greatly assist underwriters by predicting the creditworthiness. So real-time stats and analytics can be provided to the lender so that no fraudulent activity would occur, or it can be minimized to a great extent with the help of our system, which is AI and ML powered. It also, we have used the technology which is blockchain based. So the benefits of the having the blockchain into our system is that multi-party transaction with decentralization capabilities, no intermediaries, security assurance is on a higher side, improved transparency, lower transaction costs, and it empowers automation using smart contracts. So these are the major benefits of having a blockchain-based loan origination system, and Safe and Smart LOS have that. So these are the main features of the Safe and Smart loan origination system. Now that we can move into the loan management system, which is the second part of it. I hope this has been quite clear to all of you. I think I can cover up the loan management system and we can get into the Q&A part of it. Or before that, if anyone of you have any questions, we can discuss them. Can I go to the next part of our presentation, which is loan management system?
Yes, Sunny.
Thank you.
I think people don't have any doubt, so I can just move forward.
So this is the next, we understand the next part of loan origination is like once the loans gets approved, it has to be managed properly, and financial institutions and banks need to take great effort in managing. And so when you have a right software in the right place, then things becomes easy and smooth. So a Safe and Smart LMS deliver tech-enabled lending processes that will improve productivity and customer service through entire loan life cycle. So you get assistance through the entire loan life cycle. So ours is like a comprehensive loan management solution which facilitates banks and financial institutions to automate procedures for achieving cost savings and better customer experience. So here we try to give that customer delight for the customers, because they do not have to spend a lot of time or waste a lot of time to get the loan done or like to manage the loan properly. So the features are well available, in favor, desirable for both the customers as well as the financial organizations. So major features are, there is loan product suite for different types of loan, end-to-end loan management functionality for all types of loans and advances. It helps managing customer correspondence and communication. We do have a recovery report available, supports multiple repayment options. Write-off, waive-off as per regulatory authority rules can be processed with the help of the system. Customer-oriented settlement of accounts through omni-channels capability, and finally customized dashboards and alert management. And the various industry modules we've been using this particular solution for Safe and Smart retail management module, where with regard to customer vehicle loans, customer durable loans, personal loans, education loan, mortgage loans, gold loan, loan to traders, and women empowerment loans. And when it comes to the MSME, the management module, we do have services for the business loan, working capital loan, machinery loans, loan against property, purchase of construction equipment, and purchase of commercial vehicle. Safe and Smart group lending module, which caters to microfinance, loans for income generation, loans for home improvement and utility loans, and we also have individual lending modules which are the loans for income. So these are the various modules that can be managed with the help of, or that has been included into the loan management system, Safe and Smart loan management system. So this is an overview of our Safe and Smart loan management system, where you can see all the major features being made available. So these are the major modules, which start with the customer registration, loan origination, salary loan experience, fund transfer, suspense accounting, joint venture modules, investment modules, borrowing module, head office transaction, bank accounts, central bank reports, user management, beginning of the day and end of the day processes, and global settings. Reports, all reports are being made available in our system, like abstract of overdue, posting of receivables, movement of NPA, interest receivable, interest-wise loan report, loan comparative statement, MI statement with overdue, classification loan. These all reports are very well available, can be very well made available, along with the other set of reports like overdue information, as the report is available yearly, half, monthly statement of outstanding recoveries and overdue, and then demand of loan, yearly in account, and total interest receivable, aging report, outstanding report, demand collection, and balance statement of loans. All these reports are readily available in our system. These are the other set of reports that are available. NPA calculation, provisions, percentage-wise NPA is available. Classification of NPAs are there. NPA movement registers can be well maintained as a part of the system. NPA statement, the RBI statement, and also annual NPA statement is also available. So when it comes to loan management, we understand it mainly caters to the availability of the various various reports that will help in maintaining or managing the loans by the both by the customers as well as the organizations. The organization can make sure that the process has been carried out properly, and the repayment also can be initiated in the proper way. So these are the major features with regard to the loan management system. And now I can take you through the NPA management system, which again is another part, we understand, which is another part of this is not NPA, yes, Safe and Smart debt collection management, where this again a sequel to the LOS and LMS. So I hope I can go ahead with that as well, and then we will be having a small session on Q&A. Let me just share my screen again. So Safe and Smart debt collection which is a one-stop fintech solution for collection and debt management. It streamlines the collection processes and improves operation efficiency, ensuring greater coverage and connect rates with ease. We can deliver higher assurance to remit rates effectively, and automating daily operational tasks with collection agents also is being recorded to minimize the time spent on routine and unproductive tasks, so that they can dedicate working time to critical issues. So rather than just manually following up certain things, with the help of the system, triggers and reminders can be set, which will save a lot of time for the agents, and so that they will be able to work on something really better, on some better strategies. So we understand this is a process, an overview of the collection process. With the help of debt management, where a prioritized work list can be created, and the customer correspondence can be made as per the list, as per the priority, and also the correspondences that have been made by the agents and the employees can be logged in. The payment commitment can be tracked. Reminders can be set for follow-ups. Receivable connected is recorded, and we also will be able to do the performance analysis, and also that will help in the performance of this particular system, of this particular loan time, which will help the organization to formulate better strategies collection strategies and to amend rules with regard to a smooth collection process or debt management with the help of the system. So the various business lines covered over here is our vehicle loan, personal loan, housing loan, education loan, gold loan, credit card, business loan, other loans, and microfinance. The benefits of this portal is that increased collection revenue, improved collective productivity, easy to use and customizable for your business, timely and accurate data, all in one system, secure and highly compliant software. So we understand when it comes to loan, when it comes to financial products, the regulations and the rules is to be on track and need to be intact. So that will be completely satisfied with the help of our safe and smart debt management system. It's automated, faster debt recovery can be done, real-time operations, simplified process, satisfied customers, reduced errors, easy reconciliation, and efficient delinquency management with the help of safe and smart debt management. The major features, these are the major areas like which is dashboard will be provided with regard to understand the status of the loan types, the status of the management of the debts, debt management, data import and validation, communication, mobile application, payment management, automation, workflow, reporting, compliance, collaborate, security, technology, and deployment. We will be able to show you what all technology we have been used over here, and also be able to provide a screenshots of the user interface that which is I'll be able to show you some sample screenshot like the graphical user interface will be shown towards the end of the presentation. Now the dashboard can give you graphical representation of the data of the status of the various customers and the loan types. And the collection with regard to the collection. So collection effectiveness index per collector that can be analyzed with the help of the dashboard. Day collection outstanding, monthly trend can be reflected over here. Contacts versus payment commitment versus payment collected. The monthly trend can be reflected over here. Top 10 delinquent customers of the monthly trend that also will be able to. So these are the major data that will be reflected with the help of the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll be able to see these many reports or these trends with the help of various graphical representation. And a debt management module has data analytics, debtor communications, customer service, skip tracing, and customized reporting. So these, the major modules of debt management have been included in the debt management module. Data import and validation which helps to import cases with ease using field mapping and reusable templates. So here, the templates can be reused. The templates have been incorporated into the system, which can be used for the smooth processing of the collection. The communication with regard to the contract management, calls, letter generations, SMS, email options are there. Schedule site visits with the help of a debt management software. The collector, the agent can schedule the site visit as per the availability of the customers, and the various ways of communication with the customer can be streamlined or can be smoothly handled with the help of our system. So the mobile application is also readily available, where real-time account details with collected on the mobiles, facility to collect cash, check-based payments, along with real-time update and base collections application. Foreclosure simulation statement of account generation can be generated over here. Multi-receipt recording or a single receipt. Payments by digital collection methods. Cashless collections. Float money MIS report on mobile. Receipt reprint via Bluetooth printer. So a person with a mobile phone, and since we have the mobile application, all the major features of a web-based application is readily available on the mobile application as well. Also over here, we get the account summary and digital receipt of payment. We'll be able to get the, generate the digital receipt, collect a route map and planner on mobile. For example, the organization wants to monitor the activities of the collector. That also can be that be connected with the organization. Instant email and SMS notifications are made available. Support online and offline based payment collections. Operation system supported is Android, and it has multi-language and multi-currency support. The payment management, it enables payment transactions between customers and creditors from various channels. So the various options of payment is, so it's a flexible, it has become made flexible for the customers and the organization. The automation feature is where you have integrated voice broadcasting, commission incentive plans are there, work in process queues, like prioritized to-do list can be automated over here. Recurring events, tasks, and transactions to run automatically. All these can be automated with the help of our system. And the workflow strategy and targeted actions also can be automated with the help of the automation feature. The workflow feature of it contains the plans, how to, defining collection strategy and how to meet the customer. Customized letters and reports are available. Variable commission rates, plans, guarantor, producer, agent. So we can, for example, we'll be able to define the workflow of each of the step in when it comes to debt management, and that can be set into our system. The reporting, where you get analytical and centralized reports, performance metrics analytics to measure success and proactively identify strategy issues. Customizable letters and reports are available in our system. Compliance, as we understand, is very much important for the smooth processing of debt management. So built on acute understanding on the following principles. For example, code-driven compliance ensures customers are treated fairly and legal requirements are met for each collection. So it has been set into the system. And there is collaboration, smooth collaboration with backend systems, automated leads, synchronizing status, dialer ready, notifications and alerts are made via email, SMS can be made via email, SMS, mobile app, and WhatsApp, etc. So the collaboration with third-party systems or with other platforms can easily be made, which again smoothens the entire process of managing the debts, reaching out to the customers and getting the money back. Security